Welcome, today I'm showing how to change screen recorder quality into a Motorola Moto G42. First of all, open your top navigation bar and find here screen record button, this one. If you don't have this button here, tap to pencil, then scroll down and find this button screen record on this block and press and hold and drag to top like this for add to top navigation bar. So click back for save. Now we add screen record button and now press and hold and we got our screen record settings. So and here we got resolution, so only two options, and we can change, for example, this one or this low resolution. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.